Welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. I feel like I'm always recording while I'm in my car on the go, and it's probably the case, but I am going to sit back down in my office eventually, but I'm doing too much. I'm doing the most. Your girl's on the move. Anyway, I wanted to pop in for Money Monday and let you guys know, I think this week I am just going to sit on the sidelines and I am going to watch Amazon work. Whatever it does, that was my Money Monday for last week. Amazon has earnings this week, so I'm just going to see what happens with that. And right now I'm gonna keep my money, my cash kind of open or free so that I can see what the stock market is doing and see where I want to go next. So that's pretty much what I'm doing this week. I am waiting on Amazon to do what it does, and I'm excited to see what it does. They have been resting, they have been chilling. It looks like they're going to do really well based on what I've been reading. So I'm excited. And even if they don't do well, they're not going anywhere. They are one of those companies that has a corner on the market, really. So I'm just going to see. I really am excited to see how this is going to go because, as you guys know, I haven't really been doing this terribly long as far as the stock market. Of course I've been investing. I'm an investor. I've been doing that for years. But really watching stocks, really getting in the trenches and picking out stocks, taking control of my future, taking control of my portfolio, I haven't really done that as much. Well, not like this. This is different. This is picking individual stocks. This is getting to know what's going on with the companies that I'm choosing. And honestly, I feel like if we just continue to pour into the Mag 7, the Magnificent 7, that's Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Google, and Meta, I believe. Did I do 7? Is that 7? Anyway, those are solid companies, and sprinkle in a little bit of AI, sprinkle in a little bit of AMD and whatnot. But I think if we stick with those, we really should be fine. And of course, you don't want to put all of your money anywhere. You want to be diversified. And so when I mention those stocks, those are solid companies. They're not going anywhere. They will go up and down, of course, but they're not going anywhere. And if you want to be a little bit safer, of course, you want to check out some ETFs. And any ETF that tracks the S&P will have those companies in there because they run the market. And I'm not giving you any financial advice for sure, but I'm just telling you what I do. Oh my God, this is crazy traffic. I'm gonna get killed out here. Anyway, okay. So, anyway, as I said, I am not giving you financial advice, but I am talking to you about money and stocks and wealth, wellness, freedom, all those things that are very near and dear to my heart. So, yeah, I am not gonna change my channel, but I am adding this element to my channel. I gotta get in here and kind of organize some of this stuff because I don't have thumbnails on some things and I don't have categories and whatnot, but I'll get to it as long as you guys are still tapping in. As a matter of fact, subscribe to my channel, share my videos out, and leave me a comment and we'll connect. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.